See me play on my drums. Playing drums is lots of fun with a da 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 da. See me play upon my drum. Hello, beautiful kids. Welcome to Mrs. Agistella Teaching and Learning. Today we're going to be learning our sentence formation, word formation, and the letter sound D. I hope you enjoy yourself. Now we're looking at the letter sound D. D is the fourth letter in the English alphabet. It can be written as the uppercase letter D or the lowercase letter d. Having known the letter name, what sound does it make? Let me hear you. D, d, d. Very good. It makes that sound. And then let's associate the sound to words. Who can give me a word with D? Duck is already on the board. Duck. We have dog. Another word. Door. We have door. Another word. Doll. Doll. Alright, and the last word, dog. So we have seen the letter name, we know the letter sound, we have word association, we've associated this letter name and sound to words, doll, with pictures to show. Moving forward for kids that are older, we go into sentence formation. And you can watch the video I did on sentence. What is a sentence? Group of words that make meaning. They begin with a capital letter, end with a full stop. So in order to enhance reading, we're going to make words that make up sentences with the D sound. Now the first one was this one here. And it says, Daphne the dog dances in the pool. As a child is reading it, the sound sticks and it helps her to learn to read. Daphne the dog dances in the pool. Make up your own sentences and write them out. The second sentence we make is Damien opens the deep brown door. Damien opened the deep down brown door. Opens because Damien is a singular. The next sentence, the dark blue doll belongs to Dorothy. The dark blue doll belongs to Dorothy. And the last sentence, the dirty dog dazzles me. So go ahead and look at your letter D, appreciate it, and make up your own sentences and write it down till I come your way next time. Bye.